age, stuff like that. Now, I understand if you don't have time to do it, right? You say, I don't have time. So if you don't have time to promote on any social media, then what are you doing with your time? See, this is a time thing. Let's figure out where your time is going at, and let's put your time. Yeah, let's put your time to things that meaningful things. That's gonna bring your company some revenue. So like ask yourself, like, what am I doing for 24 hours a day? Like, what is my day going like? See, these are the things that I had to ask myself, and I noticed that a lot of times I was BSing. I was what they call fake busy. And I wasn't really getting those things, those little tedious things that you really need done in your business done. Like times that I was on Instagram strolling, laughing at people's, memes or whatever. I probably could have been making some posts at that time. I could have been adding people. I could have been engaging a little more, but I chose to do other things on social media. So first, let's address where your time is going at 24 hours a day. Okay. Then after that, you need to come up with some kind of a schedule that you put yourself on for marketing. And you need like a marketing campaign or something like that. But these are things that you really have to think about how you want to go about marketing. If you don't know, you already know you can go door to door. You can do Google ads. You can do Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. The algorithm on LinkedIn, people are sleeping on it because it's actually higher than the algorithm on Facebook. So I highly recommend LinkedIn for you to get on there.
Okay.
Not only that, but a lot of people miss out on joining the Chamber of Commerce in their city. Okay. So that whenever you join something, a group like that, like you're in with all of the businesses in your city. So you can network with these people directly, with your flyers. So I know people on my team that they do it and it worked. I actually just signed up for the Chamber of Commerce this year myself, So that's just another gem that I want to throw out there to you. But you have to get in these people's face and you have to get intentional about your business, like really, really hungry to get the word out there, But if all else fails, you can always hire a virtual assistant to do those little tedious tasks that you don't have time to do. Somebody that's way more skilled in these areas. That's another thing that I implemented in my business for my marketing. People always say, well, how are you putting out so much content every day? It's not me. it's not all me. I would say I'm not going to take the credit for it. I actually have a team now. So I hire virtual assistants to help me out with a lot of this stuff. I don't know how to edit. So I had to have someone make the flyers and post the flyers. And I had to write out exactly what I want. I want 3 posts a day. I need 1 video content. I need 1 meme. I need 1 motivational quote. You have to know what you want in your business, and sometimes you don't know what you want until you get in the motion of it. So I didn't know what I wanted for Tenacity Academy. It was a new business. But when I got into the grind and the motion of it and the movement of it, then I said, okay, I know what I want now. Now I know what to do. Now I know what my audience wants to see and what I need to give, the value I need to give to them and how to keep it exciting and keep it fresh. Now I know, but you just got to you can't just stay still. You got to keep it moving. Don't ever just not do anything. Say it again.
I completely agree, 100%. 100%.
Yes. See, don't ever just not do anything and feel like it's slow in your business. I always tell my mentees, don't ever say that to me again. Don't say it's slow, please, because it's so much that you need to learn, and you can be learning when it's quote unquote slow. So you say, it's never slow for me in my business. I'm finding things for myself to do. I'm online. I'm consuming information. I'm learning programs. After I get off of this call, I'm going to go learn another program. I have to keep feeding myself, content, and I just have to keep learning because I teach information now. So I have to stay on top of what I'm talking about, Not only that, but I'm creating a podcast right now, so I have to learn how to put out the content for that. So it's never a dull moment. Like, I'm always trying to figure out little things to do within my business. It's never a kickback moment for me. Like, where I'm sitting back, watching a game. I can't tell you the last time I watched a movie. Okay. So when you're a business owner, just remember you have to be all in. So just think, what am I doing with that 24 hours? What am I doing with it? And then just slowly put together a schedule for yourself. Write down some weekly goals, some monthly goals. I know you hear us say this all the time. And sometimes we know that we need to do these things, but we still don't do it. That's why it's so easy for us content creators to put out so many valuable content to so many people. We drop gems on a daily, but it's sad to say that only like 99%, what I would say 90% of the people won't even listen to it. They won't even follow it, I would say.
Absolutely. And that's where I kind of that's why I stepped in with you because it's like I can't be part of that that 90%. I can't be excluded from that 10% that's winning because this is something that I invested a lot of money into. I put a lot of money into my website. I put a lot of money into the content of my company. But the problem that I'm running is the fact, like you just said, what am I doing with the 24 hours? Because, like, I'll take a 9 to 5 shift.
Your phone going in and out.
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Oh, I'm sorry, my phone was going in and out?
Yeah, it was going in and out.
Am I good now?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Well, I was taking like a 9 to 5 shift, and I would dump that 8 hours into the company, and then the other 16 hours, I pretty much just do whatever, my daily life routines, tend to my kids, this and that and the third. And that's where I believe I'm messing up at. It's when you say there's a 10% of people that win, that's 100% true. And I do see why a lot of people do fail. I remember watching your video way back in December about how your company can fail. And I forgot, you put a number to it, I think. You was like, reasons why your company will fail. And you hit so many valuable points in there. And I'm starting to actually approach about 2 of them things you talked about. And it's like, it's starting like, whoa, hold on, let me step back, contact this woman and talk to her because I can't be one of those people that dump all this money.
Well, your phone going out again, honey. I couldn't hear you. Your phone went out again.
Oh, man, I'm so sorry. It's probably my signal's probably bad.
Okay, I hear you now.
But yeah, I just don't want to be one of those, 90% that dumped all their money into a company and then it just go to waste. I got a whole LLC and people, I told people about it. I don't want to be a flunky in this. I want to succeed and move forward. So that's why I contacted you.
Right.
Valuable information.
And you did the right thing, honey. You did the right thing. Now, the only thing you have to do is execute, You really, it's really when I figured out this whole game and what it's really, really about, this is one of the reasons why I named my company Tenacity, because I really feel like that's what this whole thing is about, having the drive and the willpower to get up and do it. See, if you can do anything, if you have the tenacity to do it.